Today I'm spending my day at the Jaipur Design Festival, and we have many talented young entrepreneurs who are displaying their work of art. So I'm going to be taking you around and sharing the exclusive creativity that each of the students have designed.
Hi, my name is Komal and this is Sonali. We are from IIGJ. So here we are doing some enameling workshop. This is the hard enamel process. This is the chatai work, the engraving work. And then over here there are different techniques of it. Like this is the closure technique, ligature, band setting. And this is on a surface thing. Then over here we have
All handcrafted by
yes, this is all handcrafted by us. This is some copper work with soft enamel. This is on a casted piece. Then this is on a filigree work, and this is on a band setting.
This is filigree work, you said?
Yes, ma'am. Close filigree.
Thank you, girls.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Niharika and I am from IIGJ Jaipur. These are some of our collections that we developed, and these are done by manual designers.
Beautiful.
And all of these are based on inspirations, and all of it is technically proven. Some handmade pieces over here, and these accessories that are in leather.
These are all handcrafted?
These are handcrafted and these are done through CAD.
Okay.
And over here we have some CAD pieces developed by our master students. Over here is a Hawa Mahal that they developed. It's very intricately created, as you can see.
Beautiful. And all of you are from Jaipur?
Yes.
Namaskar, we are from IIS University. We learn how to make jewelry from manufacturing, beading jewelry, and we also make jewelry from waste material, which is eco-fashion jewelry.
This is all from waste material?
Yeah,
Wonderful. So what waste materials have you
like
used?
plastic, wood, paper, cloth, everything,
So this
which all can recycle. We use recycled materials.
So these are all recycled and very sustainable.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, so here we present to you terracotta jewelry that we've made. Terracotta is basically a ceramic that is used by potters to create matkas and collards. So we present to you a piece of jewelry that is a choker that we've handcrafted out of terracotta, following a basic procedure for all of our pieces. Thank you.
Hi, we are from Indian Institute of Crafts and Design. We are representing handcrafted jewelry.
And what is this that you've created?
This is from cheed beads.
What is that?
It's small beads. It's all handcrafted by the artisans. We do have natural stones as well.
Hi, this is Saloni here, and I am showing here sewing work. This is the saw frame which we help to sewing, and these all are you can see here tools, and these are the wood pieces we are making here, and this is all the hand sewing. This is a metal piercing, as you can see. This is unfinished now, and this is only the sewing work. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Riya Soni from Arts College of Design and Business. So we are showcasing our students' work here, which has different kind of inspirations. And also we have a variety of works, that's cut works, and diamond jewelries are also there with Polki's fusion. And also I'm exhibiting my brand's work, which is inspired by from celestial bodies, and different kinds of stones has been used.
Hi, we are here from IIGJ Jaipur. I am the Palibest, and today we are showing our live rendering and rendering activity and live sketching activity. So first we have a drawing here, and then we have ongoing rendering process. In this rendering is basically useful for showing the jewelry in realistic manner. This is a rendered piece, and there is a live sketching going on.
Hi, I am Vanshika from IIGJ Jaipur. I am demonstrating resin jewelry. So these are very trendy and fashionable and very ongoing right now. You can just have a look at all our pieces.
Beautiful. So these are all rendered by you?
Yeah, me and my friends, everything. Thank you.
Hi,
We are from JK Institute and we have started our new setup. This is Nishkala and that's Kohinoor, and these are some of the creations. We are into semi-precious and precious. This is my theme jewelry, and these are few of my designs.
So it was a wonderful experience for me to meet these young budding entrepreneur designers from the Jaipur Design Festival and to see their work of art. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.